Types of voyages. With Quadraant legal. In maritime terms, a voyage means a planned journey undertaken by a ship from one place to another. Every voyage has a clear purpose, whether it is carrying cargo, transporting passengers, conducting research, or providing relief during emergencies. Voyages can differ widely in distance, duration, and objective, but together they form the backbone of global maritime activity. Let's explore the major types of voyages. Meaning of a voyage in maritime law. In maritime law, a voyage refers to a legally recognized journey undertaken by a vessel from one place to another. Every voyage has a defined purpose and triggers specific legal rights, duties, and liabilities under maritime statutes, contracts, and insurance policies. 1. Commercial voyages, carriage of goods. Commercial voyages are undertaken for the carriage of goods by sea. These voyages are governed by contracts such as charter parties and bills of lading, and they impose strict legal duties on shipowners, including the obligation to provide a seaworthy vessel and safely deliver cargo. 2. Passenger voyages. Passenger voyages involve the transportation of people by sea. Maritime law imposes a heightened duty of care on vessel operators, requiring strict compliance with safety standards, certification requirements, and passenger protection regulations. 3. Research voyages. Research voyages are undertaken for scientific purposes such as oceanographic and environmental studies. Although non-commercial, these voyages remain subject to maritime regulations, flag state control, and safety compliance obligations. 4. Exploration voyages. Exploration voyages historically expanded global trade and navigation routes. In modern maritime law, exploration voyages continue in deep sea and polar regions and are regulated by international conventions dealing with sovereignty, navigation rights, and environmental protection. 5. Training voyages. Training voyages are carried out to provide hands-on maritime education. These voyages are legally regulated to ensure compliance with certification standards, onboard safety norms, and competence requirements for seafarers. 6. Humanitarian voyages. Humanitarian voyages are undertaken to provide emergency relief during disasters or conflicts. While these voyages may receive certain legal exemptions, they must still comply with core safety and port state regulations. 7. Historical or commemorative voyages. Historical or commemorative voyages recreate significant journeys from maritime history. Despite their symbolic nature, such voyages are governed by modern maritime safety and certification requirements. Key legal concepts related to a voyage. Maritime law uses several interrelated concepts when defining a voyage. These include passages, routes, charter arrangements, ports of call, and the ship's logbook, all of which carry legal and evidentiary significance. Conclusion. In essence, a maritime voyage is much more than just travel by sea. It represents planning, purpose, navigation, and responsibility, whether the goal is trade, discovery, learning, or humanitarian aid. Understanding different types of voyages helps us appreciate the vital role shipping and seafaring play in connecting the world. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more maritime law content. Drop your questions in the comments and we'll see you in the next video. The information provided here is for educational purpose only and does not constitute as a legal advice or solicitation. Welcome aboard. Like, share, and subscribe.